Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 1 IAL Edexcel paper, question number 3, part A. Explain how the following accounting concepts and conventions are applied. Okay, so we have to explain what is a historic cost concept and what is a realization concept. This question is about a Bilac is in the business of buying and selling goods on credit. This requires him to maintain ledger accounts for all customers that he sells to. He also maintains a monthly control accounts. So part A of the question asks whether there is his accountant, does he know the accounting concepts and conventions? So what is a historic cost? Historic cost says that all assets and expenses are recorded in the ledger accounts at the actual cost paid at the time of transaction. So what does that mean? So let's assume if the company buys a machinery for £50,000, it should be recorded as £50,000. Even if the market value becomes from 70,000 or 30,000, it doesn't matter. It is always recorded at the original cost. It doesn't change with the market value. Then second one is the realization concept. Okay, it is an accounting concept. Here it states that profit or revenue is only regarded as being earned or it is recognized when the legal title of goods or services passes from the seller to the buyer. What does that mean? For example, a company sells goods worth £1,000 on credit. Revenue is recorded at the time of sale and not when the cash is received later. Okay. If a customer pays in advance, for example, the money is not treated as revenue yet. Okay, he pays in advance. I pay sometimes in the shop some advance. It will be recorded as liability, not until the goods are delivered. So this is the example of the realization. Only when you actually get the goods delivered, the money is recorded as revenue. Otherwise, it will be recorded as liability. So this is the